Alright guys, welcome back to the Introduction to Kubernetes for Complete Beginners course. In this video we're going to take a look at Docker, and we're going to go ahead and practice installing Docker on our systems. So once again, as we talked about in our last video, Docker is going to be the containerization engine that we want to use, and essentially Kubernetes uses Docker as well, so it's important that we install Docker on our local machine so we're able to run containers locally. And this will also aid us in building containers and testing things work properly before setting up a Kubernetes environment. So you can get Docker from www.docker.com, and once again, I mentioned this in one of the earlier videos. Docker is kind of the standard for containerization. There are other containerization platforms, but Docker is the most popular. Kubernetes uses Docker, and so that's why it's important that we learn more about Docker. And Docker is available on Windows. It's also available on Mac OS and Linux. And in this video, we're going to cover the installation on Linux. And then in the next video, we'll cover the installation on Windows. So if you're using a Windows machine, I recommend you skip the rest of this video and go to our next video. And if you're using a Linux machine, continue following ahead. And also, if you're using a OS X or Mac machine, the installation on Windows will be the same process on OS X. Anyways, with that, let's get started. So you can go to docs.docker.com, and there will actually be a great how-to guide on how to install Docker on whatever your operating system is. For me, I'm running Ubuntu Linux, and so I have a previous version of Docker actually installed. Oops. So I'm going to go ahead and uninstall the old version by using this command. Okay, now let's run. And this should just remove the old version of Docker I'm running. I'm actually running a newer version than the one they reference here in the guide, and so the name of the package is Docker CE. So we'll just go ahead and remove that. I was running 1806.